Humidity can be the ultimate nemesis of smooth, flawless hair. Whether you're battling frizz in the summer heat or dealing with flyaways in damp weather, finding the right anti-humidity spray is crucial. In this video, we'll review the top 5 anti-humidity sprays that professional stylists swear by. From taming unruly locks to maintaining your style all day, these products are game changers. Stick around to discover the best options for your hair type and needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Ouai Anti-Humidity Spray. The Ouai Anti-Humidity Spray is a luxurious, weightless mist designed to combat frizz and shield your hair from the effects of humidity. Known for its chic packaging and salon-quality results, this spray is a must-have for anyone seeking smooth, manageable hair in any weather. Key features: Ouai's anti-humidity spray features a lightweight formula infused with smart keratin technology. It helps to seal the hair cuticle, reducing moisture absorption while adding a glossy finish. This spray is free of parabens and sulfates, making it suitable for all hair types, including chemically treated hair. Benefits and usage: the spray is perfect for preventing frizz and maintaining sleek styles, especially in humid conditions. To use, simply spray evenly over dry hair after styling. Its light mist ensures that your hair isn't weighed down, allowing for a natural, soft feel. Usability: this spray works well for daily use or special occasions when you need extra frizz control. It's easy to apply and doesn't leave a sticky residue, making it ideal for on-the-go touch-ups. Durability: the Ouai Anti-Humidity Spray offers long-lasting protection, keeping your hair frizz-free for hours. With its high-quality formula, you'll notice consistent results every time you use it, even in the most challenging weather conditions. In the second spot, we have LOreal Elnet Satin Extra Stronghold. The LOreal Elnet Satin Extra Stronghold Spray is an iconic product trusted by hairstylists worldwide. Known for its versatility, this spray combines anti-humidity benefits with an ultra-strong hold, making it a staple for creating polished, long-lasting hairstyles. Key features: this spray features a unique micro-diffuser technology that delivers an ultra-fine mist. It provides a strong yet flexible hold while offering humidity resistance to keep your style intact. The lightweight formula is easy to brush out, allowing you to restyle your hair without residue. Benefits and usage: ideal for all hair types, this spray ensures that your hairstyle remains in place without looking stiff or unnatural. To use, hold the can 12 inches away and spray evenly over your finished style. It's perfect for both everyday looks and elaborate updos. Usability: the user-friendly nozzle and ultra-fine mist make application effortless. Its versatility means you can use it for everything from taming flyaways to setting intricate styles, ensuring your hair stays picture perfect. Durability: the LOreal Elnet Satin Spray is renowned for its long-lasting hold, even in humid climates. You'll enjoy hours of frizz-free, polished hair, and its lightweight formula ensures your style remains touchable and soft. Coming in at number 3 is the Matrix Total Results Heat Resist. The Matrix Total Results Heat Resist Spray is a multitasking product designed to protect your hair from heat styling tools and humidity. If you frequently use flat irons or curling wands, this spray is your go-to for safeguarding your hair while ensuring it stays frizz-free. Key features: infused with shea butter and heat protection technology, this spray provides dual benefits. It shields your hair from heat damage up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and fights frizz caused by humidity. It's suitable for all hair types and adds a light, healthy shine to your locks. Benefits and usage: this spray helps maintain smooth, sleek styles while preventing breakage from heat exposure. To use, spray evenly on damp hair before styling with heat tools. It acts as a barrier, keeping your hair soft and manageable even in humid weather. Usability: with its lightweight formula, the Matrix Total Results Heat Resist Spray is easy to apply and doesn't weigh your hair down. It's especially useful for individuals who regularly style their hair with heat, as it ensures maximum protection and frizz control. Durability: this spray offers excellent staying power, keeping your hair smooth and frizz-free throughout the day. Its heat protection properties also contribute to long-term hair health, making it a reliable choice for daily use.
Taking our fourth spot is Redken Frizz Dismiss Instant Deflate. The Redken Frizz Dismiss Instant Deflate Spray is a professional-grade solution designed to combat extreme humidity and frizz. Perfect for unruly or coarse hair, this spray tames puffiness and keeps your locks sleek and polished. Key features: this spray is enriched with Redken's signature smoothing complex and babassu oil, providing intense hydration while locking out humidity. It's lightweight yet powerful, making it suitable for all hair types, including color-treated hair. Benefits and usage: the Frizz Dismiss Instant Deflate Spray reduces frizz and adds a silky finish to your hair. It's ideal for taming flyaways and controlling volume caused by humidity. Simply spray it onto dry or damp hair and style as desired. Usability: its non-greasy formula ensures easy application without weighing your hair down. Whether you're prepping for a big event or need a quick fix, this spray delivers reliable results. Durability: the Redken Frizz Dismiss Spray provides long-lasting frizz control, even in high humidity environments. With its advanced formula, your hair will remain smooth and manageable all day, ensuring confidence in any weather. And finally, at number 5, we have Moroccanoil Luminous Hairspray. The Moroccanoil Luminous Hairspray is a luxurious product that combines anti-humidity benefits with a lightweight, flexible hold. Infused with argan oil, this spray not only keeps frizz at bay, but also nourishes and adds shine to your hair. Key features: this hairspray features a unique blend of argan oil and high-performance ingredients. It offers medium hold while shielding your hair from humidity. The formula is free of parabens, making it a great option for all hair types, including sensitive scalps. Benefits and usage: ideal for finishing styles, this spray provides a smooth, glossy finish while protecting against humidity. To use, spray evenly over styled hair from a distance of 10 inches. Its lightweight texture ensures a natural, touchable feel. Usability: the Moroccanoil Luminous Hairspray is easy to apply and perfect for both everyday use and special occasions. It helps maintain your style while adding a healthy, radiant shine, making it a versatile addition to your hair care routine. Durability: this spray offers reliable, long-lasting results, keeping your hair frizz-free and polished throughout the day. Its nourishing formula ensures that your hair remains soft and manageable, even in challenging weather conditions. And there you have it, the top 5 anti-humidity sprays to keep your hair smooth, frizz-free, and fabulous no matter the weather. From the luxurious Moroccanoil Luminous Hairspray to the professional-grade Redken Frizz Dismiss, these products cater to various needs and hair types. Pick the one that suits your routine best and say goodbye to bad hair days forever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and reviews.